opened my door. I ain't done anything. I'm not wait for a supervisor.
He stayed calm, asked for a supervisor, waited with patience. Then the door opened. Without warning, without a single reason explained, just pressure, just power. His only act was knowing his rights and refusing to back down.
I need a supervisor.
He's coming out here.
I need a lieutenant or somebody. He has violated my rights. He opened my door unprepared, unrestricted.
No.
Unrestricted. No. Because for what? You violated my rights already.
This is a trade-off.
You violated my rights. Oh, I don't have to unless I've been lawfully stopped.
Yes, this is a lawful stop.
You didn't know. Get me a supervisor.
He's coming out here.
You have violated my rights. You opened my door. That's first, Third Amendment right there. Third Amendment. Search and see. You cannot do that.
First of all, that's not even.
That is too. I know my rights. I do too. Well, you keep on talking. I want keep on talking. You have violated my right. He opened my door without my consent and was gonna pull me out of the car. That is a violation of my right. I asked him for his name. Can I get your name and badge number one more time, please? One more time. You work for the public. You got to tell me. You got to identify. That's in your policy. Tell me again.
You're recording it, so you can read.
Tell me again who it is. See, that's a violation. First of all, of his policy. He did not identify himself.
Did it?
What? You supposed to do it again. You work for me. You work for the public, my friend. You work for the public. You can't sit here and just try to violate my right because you see a car in the black neighborhood. Come on, man. Keep it real.
I stopped you because you about hit me.
I did not about hit you. Come on, man. Be for real. Be for real. You would have stopped me back there. Come on, man. Quit racially profiling. Don't be like that. Don't do that.
Oh, you're throwing the race.
I ain't the race card. Well, it has to be stoned if you're gonna use it. That's what I'm gonna do. What's your name and badge number, sir? 255. What's your name and badge number?
Officer Zambrano, 252.
252. Thank you so much for your cooperation. You know you did wrong by opening my door. First of all,
I'm telling you,
you opened my door. I ain't done anything. I'm not wait for a supervisor.
Oh, he's coming out here.
Wait for a supervisor. You unlawfully opened my door. That's my Third Amendment. I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing. Absolutely nothing. Your immunity is going to be taken. I'm going to push it. That's fine. That's fine. I will. Because you cannot continue to do people like this in our communities, man. Come on now. You know you're wrong. You know you're dead wrong. I've done nothing. And you talking about stop by stop sign and you pull out 2 cops for me? A camera? Come on now. You know that's not fair. You know that's not right, man. Because we know how. Come on, man. You know better. I want your immunity, so sure. See, everybody knows how that goes in the community, man. Come on now. And you got my door open. You know that was out of my rights.
251, have call pennant.
You know you broke my rights there. You know you violated my rights right there when you opened my door. Because you don't have that authority to do that. You don't have that authority to do that. And you're not even your sergeant. What's your rank? Corporal. You should know the you should know the rights. You have no right to open.
You ran a stop sign. I stopped.
I did not run a stop sign.
To identify yourself.
No, I don't. First of all, I did not refuse to identify myself. You pulled in the community. I sit there. You sit there. You behind. I knew you weren't turning in, so I pulled out. And then you did like this, the gesture, as if you got priority over the road.
You can't just pull out in front of a.
You was standing there. You was sitting parked. You wasn't parked. You was standing still. You was not. If you was driving, I would have hit you. You got your pit. You was standing still, and I looked for you to turn. You didn't turn, so I turned. And then you looked at me like I was wrong. That's fine. You, bro, I'm telling you.
Walmart reference 1050. It occurred in the PBA. Callers on the home and pharmacy side, road 3. He's in a Nissan Murano by his other vehicle. Gave their name and insurance information and left.
That's crazy, man. Don't touch my.
He didn't yell, didn't run, just asked clear questions, kept the camera rolling, and stood his ground. They tried to control the story, but the footage spoke louder. This wasn't about a traffic stop. It was about authority facing someone who wouldn't stay silent. This is another case, a tag mismatch, a brake light out. That's all it took. But the questions came fast and the tone shifted quicker. What began as routine turned tense, with pressure replacing explanation. The driver stayed calm, camera rolling, rights in mind, because sometimes it isn't about the stop. It's about control.
Your left brake light's out. That's why I pulled you over. And you can't just leave your car on the side of the road.
I have to go get tow dog.
Okay, that tag comes back. Can you get your phone out of my face? If you want to record me, that's fine, but I don't want him to face. You got your license, registration, insurance?
Who, me?
What, you said what was
your left brake light, your third one works and your right one works, your left one.
You wouldn't have known that if you didn't pull me over. What was your reason for the blue light to be turned on?
one, the brake light, and two, I needed to speak to her about her vehicle. That the tag doesn't come back to that
That
vehicle.
doesn't give you a right to pull
Jamie,
me
I need
over.
you to
When
call
she's
me,
suspended, is she suspected of committing a crime?
Jamie.
Well, no, I need to talk to her, but you have committed a traffic infraction because your left brake light is out. So that is the reason to pull you over. So
No,
I'm
but-
going to ask you one more time.
Jamie,
Give me your license,
do you
registration,
know
and insurance. I'm going to
Pitts?
pull you out of this car.
Brody Pitts, I think.
I don't have it, luckily.
Yes.
Oh, wait, yeah, dude.
So, can I step out of the car?
In just a second.
Okay, hold on, Jamie.
I just got a phone call from a friend.
What's that?
What's what? Nothing. Go ahead. You're all on camera.
Oh my
Well,
God.
that's good. I'm recording too.
Good.
Alright,
Because
your license
no,
is
I
in?
want you to go through it.
So,
You
I
want me
was
to
at,
get your ID
so
out?
I was at my boss's house, right? Because I take care of her aunt.
You done
his
plundering,
aunt.
kid? Are you done
And,
plundering? You feel
And,
stupid yet?
No,
Maybe?
stop.
You don't?
So anyhow,
Because you sure look it.
Where's your
Look,
license
hold on.
at?
I didn't bring them with me. They're in my other vehicle. Write me a
Okay.
ticket and I'll be on my way. All right?
Okay, well, what's your name and date of birth?
David Hammond.
Are you there?
February 3rd.
What's your name?
Michelle.
Jill, what? Was that guy that was walking down Highway 59, was he with you?
No.
Okay. So what piqued my interest with you to begin with is I turned around on your vehicle, you were going back towards Jim's auto, and then you disappeared on me.
No, I
and then you
didn't
were up
disappear.
there.
The whole total car. I mean, I'll crank it up and you can hear it.
Yeah, but you were going the opposite way I was going, and when I turned around, you were nowhere to be found. I come back and you
because
were there.
I turned into the thing because my whole total motor blowed.
That's all
I
you
turned
have to
around,
say.
I seen you
Michelle,
whenever
that's
you
all you have to
passed.
say.
You got your ID with you?
Yes.
That's it, please.
What do you need her
I mean, my
ID
whole
for?
car is messed up.
You were driving that car and you ain't got a license?
No, I wasn't driving.
Yes, you were. I seen you when you passed me.
Then why didn't you pull her over?
Because she was parked out of it by the time I got over there.
Well, then you
what are
didn't
you, some
see.
jailhouse lawyer or something?
No, I'm just somebody that likes the Constitution. What are you, a tyrant?
No.
I just want to
Yeah,
pull
do
my
you remember
hair out,
swearing?
man.
Do you remember swearing an oath to the Constitution?
I do. Or you
That's
consider
good.
me a road pirate too, I guess?
I don't know what you call
What's a
yourself.
road pirate?
I know that your sheriff likes hiring pedophiles.
This is not funny, Jamie.
I know that. You remember the one that just was at the school resource officer? You remember the school officer up at Fair Oaks?
That was before my time.
Okay. Well, I'm sure
Can me
you're
and
fine.
Mr. B Pitt out of the way, whatever he's going to do.
What was your name again, sir?
David Hammond.
I'll argue
David
with him.
Hammond. Say your last name?
HAMMOND.
Date of birth?
February 3rd, 1973.
You got your registration insurance?
So whenever Mr. Pitts will allow me out of the car, I'll talk.
There's two names under there, Glenda Lindsay and David Hammond, and the registration's the license plate.
You don't have your registration card?
I'm sure I do, but I'm not going to dig it out for you. You can run the license plate.
Well, you're required to give it to me when I request it.
Okay, well, you can run the license plate.
Mr. Pitts, talk to you?
You need to talk to me?
Yeah, I mean, ain't nothing bad.
Yeah, come on back here.
Nothing bad.
What are you going to talk to him about?
I mean, he wants to talk to me about my car.
Girl, you don't have to say anything. You don't. You don't
I
have to get out the
but
car
I'm
or
not going to be
anything.
right. But
If you ain't got an 8-year degree in law, I would suggest not talking to any police officer. Do I? No, I got a camera for my lawyer when she sees it.
you know my uncle Jamie, Hans.
Are you wanting to talk to me, or you want your attorney over here to talk to me?
Who?
Well, you said you wanted to talk to me, but he's keeping you from talking to me. Are you wanting to get out and talk to me, or?
I mean, I was driving no license.
I know, I seen you.
Okay, well, I'm telling the truth. I mean, you seen me, but you did not pull me over doing it, though.
Yeah, because you got out.
You just
No,
told
my
him.
car really tore up. Like, I'll go crank it up and you can see for yourself. Like, I have no reason to lie to you. Oh.
I'll do it in just a second.
Michelle, why would you tell him that you were driving?
Because he
darling?
done seen me. I ain't gonna lie to
You
him.
don't have to admit
Listen,
to it.
I know, but I'm not
That's
gonna lie.
just
But I'm not
stupid.
gonna lie to him either.
What should have been simple turned long and unclear. The stop dragged on. The questions piled up. But through it all, one thing stayed clear. People understand their rights, and they speak with confidence. The camera captured everything, and silence was never the plan.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more video to add Inspector Nurse.